or afternoon or whatever time it is. So hey angels, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you guys saw by the intro that I'm talking about right now, the title, the thumbnail, all that good stuff, I'm going to be living my life like my Pinterest boards for 24 hours. So I'm super excited for this because how we're going to do this video is I'm going to have all the pins that I want to use, and I have like a list of things that we're going to do for the day. I will pop the pins up on the screen for you guys when I do them, and then you guys will be able to I'll put them in certain boards or whatever. Let's just get straight on into the video and we're gonna continue talking about what I'm gonna do for today. So we're starting today off at like 8 o'clock. My Apple Watch is charging. I know I usually show my wrist with my Apple Watch, but it ain't there. So I've seen so many like cute rooms. First thing that I want to do is I want to make my bed, but I've seen a lot of people use like a knot pillow and then like a throw blanket, and I have both of those. So we're gonna make my bed and it's gonna be super aesthetic. And then after that, we're just gonna kind of tidy up the room a little bit so that everything kind of looks semi like corresponding. So here it is. I think it's kind of like aesthetic. So I have this white blanket. I don't know where it's from. I haven't used it. I used it to cover this up because I want like a cover up for that because I don't like pink and it doesn't go with my room. So the next thing that I want to do while I'm putting this thing away is I want to do some stretches. Okay, so I have a whole notes section in my little phone here. It's called Standing Angel, and I have this whole thing called like Pinterest day. So I want to do a workout, which not really a workout, we're gonna stretch because my mom wants to work out later today with me. Then we're gonna do a smoothie, we're gonna do some notes. I already did my room, that's a check. A snack, makeup, skincare, definitely. I want to do like a face mask or something because I've seen like so many people do aesthetic stuff there. In a prayer, so let's do a prayer first because I have a whole like Pinterest board on prayers. Use me, God. Show me how to take who I am, who I want to be, and what I want to do, and use it for the purpose greater than myself. Amen. That was good. That was a good one. Okay. So now that we finished the prayer, let's actually do some stretches. So I didn't want to really like spend a whole day like looking up stretches. So I don't really know which one I want to do. I don't know if I want to do like this one that looks like a lot of stuff or just like different ones. I might end up just choosing this one. I don't even know if I saved it into my board, but it's a 30-day split challenge. But then again, I could do, but I don't have the little rubber band thing, or maybe I do, I don't know. We'll figure this out, and I'm gonna put it, since it's like a dance workout, we're gonna put it in dancing. So you can find it in the dance stuff, and we're gonna do this. This is gonna be super fun. So if you guys wanna follow along, I put it in my dance thing. So we're gonna do that. I might actually just take a screenshot and pop it on the screen so that if it doesn't show up, then you guys can see it. Anyways, I should probably take a screenshot of the prayer I did also so that you guys can see it. But anyways, all of this stuff, again, on my Pinterest, and some of them might not be on my Pinterest because I might have just like found them. So yeah, let's continue with the day. Okay, you guys, so I'm watching Greek, but I just finished stretching, and it actually felt really good to stretch because, you know, I don't really stretch when I work out. Do I have problems with that? Yes. So the next thing I want to do is I want to take some notes. I have a couple of examples. My notes look a little different than what the examples I chose were. Let me look it up for you. So I think the one that I'm gonna go with is probably like this one. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna go for. I usually just do like a little point. I don't do like the whole line, so maybe we need to do this instead. I also just remembered I don't have school today. It's Wednesday, so usually it's like a virtual day. I do have to do some science stuff because yesterday I procrastinated a little bit. I know, me procrastinating, but I don't know. I feel like I just feel like I haven't been as like when it comes to like longer bio stuff. I'm just like, I can do this later. You know what I mean? So let's find the next notebook. So here's my other notebook. So I have two notebooks. This is like the final one. I wish I would have switched them, but it's fine. So now we need to get the markers. Again, I think I'm gonna do a blue theme like I always do. Okay, you guys, so now it's time to start my notes. So again, I said I'm gonna do a blue theme. I'm gonna try to do it like the notes that I showed you guys. These are how my normal notes look. They're not bad. So we're just gonna go with the next one. The title is already there. It doesn't look really similar, but it will be fine. So the thing that I'm gonna do is we're gonna do like how it did it, like it had like a highlight line and all that good stuff. So we're gonna try to do that. Okay, you guys, so this is how my notes turned out. This is the before, this is the after. Honestly, I was kind of sketching, you know, like I was kind of being like, I don't know if I'm gonna like it, but I actually really do. I think it takes up less space because, let me show you my normal notes. I like space them out, so then I have like this chunk of space, or I just don't have any space. So I feel like since I use the space, since this is like the divider, I feel like you use less space. Obviously, less space. Really love how this worked. Pinterest has everything. Maybe I should just start using Pinterest for my notes. But anyways, this was a total complete. I've loved everything so far. I've loved the bed, I loved the notes, and I've loved the actual like stretching things. So everything has been going really well. So the next thing we're gonna do is breakfast. Okay. Hey you guys, don't mind my tripod. This is where I'm going to send you in a second. But here's my beautiful kitchen. You guys have seen the island. It's also marble, but it's like a different marble than my one in my room. Anyways, so it's time for breakfast. You're out of focus. We are going to make a smoothie. And I'm going to make it 0 points since I'm doing Weight Watchers. Just to get fit and so that I can mind my own beeswax when it comes to eating stuff. So anyways, so we have 2 different options. Again, I will pop both of them on the screen individually, but I have them on my phone. One of them is mango banana, which we're gonna do first because I love mangoes. And then we're gonna do a strawberry one for snack. So the mango one, we're gonna kind of change it a little bit. So the mango one is mango banana, chia seeds, orange juice, and almond milk. We're gonna replace those 2 and we're gonna put water. Hopefully it turns out. Okay, so everything is finished. Just you guys are like out of focus. I have a chunk of chia seeds that did not blend, but I guess it's fine. This is the one I usually use. I like to use metal, and then we're just gonna mix everything up. There, time for a taste test. It's very good. It literally just tastes like bananas. I highly recommend though if you love bananas. If you want more mangoes, probably put in more mangoes. I love mangoes and I feel like it tastes more like banana. I'm not complaining, but I would give this a 8 out of 10 because I really wanted it to be more mango-y and it's a little bit more banana-y. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to do a makeup look. So I'm going to look through Pinterest and I'll pop the one that I decide to do on the screen, and then you guys will see a time lapse of me doing my makeup. Oh my gosh, you guys are so up close and personal. You can see my acne. Okay, so I'm gonna try to look on the camera. So here's what it looks if I'm just looking straight at you guys. Here's what it'll look if I'm looking down, looking up, eyes closed, boom. I actually really like this look. I feel like I would use it in regular time. So yeah, I used a dark brown on the bottom lashes, and then I used like 2 different transition colors, and then the shimmer, as I said. I'd actually probably use this on a fancier occasion, so really like this look. See, Pinterest has everything. Okay, you guys, so the next part of today's video is skincare. Okay, I'm missing something. Okay, so I'm back. So I have everything that I need for this. So on Pinterest, I've seen a lot of just like really aesthetically pleasing like stuff, skincare. I'm working on like trying to talk to you guys like my friends. You guys are my friends, obviously, but I don't want to be like type. So I'm on Pinterest way too much, you guys, like way too much. So I've seen like a lot of just like aesthetic like skincare routines. So since I don't have like a full face of makeup, I'm just gonna remove my eyes with this micellar water, one of the faves, and I'm just gonna remove all the eye makeup. Okay, so look how much makeup I removed from my eye. Like imagine a full face of makeup, how much would that be? Anyways, so now we're gonna use my CeraVe Acne Foaming Cleanser to have a really good base for the face mask because you wanna have a clean face. I use this for my second wash, and I'm gonna put scrunchies on my wrist because I hate when water drips down my arms. So we just did that. So now we're gonna go with, like I said, the Florence by Mills peel off face mask. So I watch Hiram, and I know that peel off face masks are bad for you, but I got it for Christmas gift from one of my best friends. So I have to use it. I actually kind of like it, but I feel like, you know, it's not the best for your skin. And I'm using this like butter spatula thing that it's supposed to be for butter, but I use it for my face mask. So we're just gonna apply this, and we're gonna leave it on for, I think it's 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. So you want to leave it to dry, and then just make it super easy to peel off your face. I honestly don't think you guys are gonna be able to hear that. Anyways, I'm gonna take this off and then we'll be back. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna do my usual skincare routine. So first things first, I use the Revolution skincare. It's like Makeup Revolution, and I put the 2% hyaluronic acid. I just closed the door. And then I just put like a whole tube of it because I put it down my neck also. It's really important to put it down your neck. And I've seen a lot of people just kind of use droppers on Pinterest, and I feel like it's just super aesthetic. One of the masks that I've also seen, which isn't really a mask, it's an exfoliant, is the Ordinary one. I've seen that everywhere. Like when I look up, if you look up aesthetic, like makeup, not makeup, aesthetic skincare, that's what you see, like just the Ordinary. So then this is the Niacinamide from the same brand. And now we're gonna put on this Kinship Pimple Potion, because again, like I said earlier, crap, I just dropped it. I have acne. So we're just gonna put it on them spots. So now I have 2 moisturizers. I have this one, it's a light one for dry skin that I put in like my mouth area. And then the last one that I have is the Simple Kind to Skin Protecting Light Moisturizer, and it has SPF on it. And that is it. I also have a jade roller. So this is the jade roller I use. It's from TJ Maxx. I got it for $10, and I honestly really do love this. And that's it for my skincare. And now we're gonna make a snack. And I think that's gonna be it for today's video because I have nothing else to do. And I think we have, you guys, this might be a longer video. I'll try to edit it down to it's less than 15 minutes, but it might be longer, just as an FYI. But we're gonna go make another smoothie and then we'll be done for the day. the taste test. And before I do the taste test, I want to make sure to say thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you guys so much. Make sure you guys subscribe and be part of the Angels team. Also hit that notification bell to be part of the hashtag Angels notification team. And once you do that, you will never miss another one of my videos. And you'll get more content from me. Definitely. And I will reply back to your comment when you comment hashtag Angels notification team. So let's get a straw. This one's really good. I kind of prefer it over the mango one. 10 out of 10. Honestly. I think the problem with the mango one was that it was too much banana. So it should have been more mango and banana. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for this. Again, I will have the link to my Pinterest down below if you want to check it out. Comment down below if you want more videos of Pinterest related stuff, like Pinterest healthy snacks for studying, Pinterest studying stuff, I don't know. So anyways, make sure you guys stay tuned until next Sunday's video because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye guys!